Hello, Baby Nitro. Hi. We're going, aren't we? We're going for a drive. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Mang Don the Vlog starring Habibo. And
Nitro.
Habibe.
Pabibe.
So, kasama din natin ngayon sina Lola at Tita. Yes. Yes, nanay ko yan. At Tita Hali. Ayun.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
We are on our way to the Hyperdome, isang shopping center dito sa Australia, malapit sa amin. And doon kami papunta ngayon. Ayan, so mag-shopping kami. Alam niyo, may nakakalungkot na balita. Nag-lockdown dito sa amin sa Brisbane dahil sa COVID. Nakakainis. Pero ngayon, parang gumaan na ang mga restriction. Pero kailangan pa rin kami mag-mask. Magsuot ng mask. That sucks, doesn't it? That's so annoying. So, basta kung nasa loob ka ng mall, you have to wear a mask. Kung nag-gym ka dito...
Just until the 22nd.
Yes, that's right. Kahit sa gym, kailangan mag-mask pa rin. Pero hanggang 22nd of January lang naman. And then we're back to freedom again. Nice.
We're free, you just gotta wear a mask. You can go anywhere and do anything.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, you can go anywhere. But some of the borders are closed, aren't they? Like you can't go to Sydney. Sydney people can't come here. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, basta yun. Okay, so mag-shopping kami sa Hyperdome.
Bili kami ng sapatos ni Hali.
Talaga? What else are you gonna buy, Shanta? You gonna buy anything?
Gusto ko sana bumili ng pajamas.
Sana all. Hallie, what are you getting?
School shoes.
That's it? Just school shoes?
Well,
what about you, Lola?
I'm paying for the school shoes.
Umuulan na. Muntik na, umuulan. Okay, we are here. Hallie, what are you doing? Oh, you got the baby. You got the baby Nitro. Hey, baby. Hello, baby boy. Okay, Hallie, chuck him in the pram. Here he goes.
It's going.
Very good, baby. Buckle you up
I
now.
don't know how to do this.
We'll buckle you up too hard.
You do it.
Just like that.
Mom. Don't lean.
Very good, Shanta.
Wait, I'll just flip this on his.
Yun. Okay, tara na.
Let's go before it closes. Alam niyo ba, nagko-close sila ng 5 a.m. 5 p.m.
Malapit na magsara ang Hyperdome.
Uy, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, totoong mga bulaklak yan. Tingnan nyo, na-close na. Kasi alas 5 na.
Ano ba naman yan?
It's fine because they get school shoes.
Hallie doesn't like her school shoes. Ang pangit daw.
But they have to wear them because it's a private school.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, social. Naka-private school.
No, yeah, that is. That's kind of harassment. Really?
Baby Nitro, ikaw din? Gusto mo ng sapatos, baby? Ha? Yeah, kasi wala kang sapatos, diba?
Hey, Mate,
In the past week. Very good now. Very good, Hallie.
stepping on it like this. What's Tita Hallie doing?
What's Tita Hallie doing, baby, huh? What's Tita Hallie doing? Very good, Hallie. Runway model. Wow, model. What you doing, baby, huh? What you doing? Hey. What you doing, baby?
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Manila kasi nakamask po tayo. Joke lang.
Williams, the shoe people. Alright, Hallie, does it feel good?
Yeah.
Oh, shut up. Tanda, may JJ's dito. Oh,
Hindi ko
may
alam ang JJ's.
Tingnan niyo, walang tao sa mall, no? Wala eh. Shanta, come here, Shanta.
Empty.
It is
At
empty.
4:45 when your malls are packed
Yeah,
in the afternoon.
exactly.
time.
Yep, that's right. Zing! Ayun no, umuulan na sa labas. Malakas ang ulan sa labas. Grabe. Ayan, ito yung paborito kong store, Zing. Ayan, daming mga board game dito, daming mga merchandise dito, ng mga movie, ganon. It's the hammer of Thor. Woohoo! Hey, baby Nitro, you having fun? Huh? You having fun? You wanna buy glasses, Hallie? Which ones?
Like a fashion.
Wow.
Look at how you should see.
Wow, ganda naman. Walang tao. Walang tao.
What
May
is
tao
that?
dyan. Ito ang favorite store ni Shanta. Ayan, pasok tayo.
Alam nyo, kasi nandito yung mga design, arte, designer,
Dito yung ano?
discounted na mga designer.
Wow.
Look, hindi naman designer talaga. Designer ba? Sabi nila designer.
Oh, are you complaining?
Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Diba? What's happening?
So the girls have all gone shopping and the boys are chilling, aren't we, baby? We're just chilling, di ba? Yeah, chill lang tayo, baby Nitro. Ano? Chill lang. Kain-kain lang. Yes. Is that yummy, huh? Is that yummy? Sarap ba yan? Ha? Yes, masarap. Kain pa more, baby. Kain pa more. Ayan, guys. Oh, ano problema? Ha? Ano problema? Wag yan. Mali yan. Ganito kasi. Ganito kasi yan. Ayan. Alright, guys. Uuwi na kami. Kapag tapos na yung mga babae sa shopping nila. Basta mga babae nagsha-shopping, matagal, no? Grabe. Nitro, what are you doing? Are you complaining? It's okay, it's alright. It's okay. It's alright. Oh, I think you're sleepy. You're sleepy na ano. Yes, you're sleepy. Sige, we'll go home na. We'll go home na. May Duanda fam dito. Oh, may Duanda fam. Yun, no? Ah, kainta.
Pero sa Pagadian City ako sa Mindanao.
Ah, beside ka? Ah, nindot kayo eh.
Kung ikaw po maalang mag-Bisaya, ito.
Ay, hindi pa rin. Tagalog pa rin. Ah,
Hirapan siya.
ay, ganun ba? Okay lang naman. Safe ka naman dito. Yes, baby Nitro.
Alright, Duanda Fam, sa katapusan ng video natin, we do Duanda Fam shoutouts. Ito po mga isa-shoutout natin, mga golden Duanda Fam natin. Ito sila, Conchita Docot, Jolie Inocencio, Naramis, DC Cho, Pinay for Life, Joanna Avellana, Shane Ransborg, John C, Kiko Arms, Rosel Ruiz Love Care, Merly King's Vlog, The Filipino Fam, The Scotty Fam in Brisbane, Pakit Paglinawan, Dita Razon, Gold Life. Hallie, nag-ano ka dyan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Romel Ibanez Vlog, The Aussie and His Wife, Lane Garvey, The Ramsey Family, Paul T, Mary J. Lee, DXMT, Haley and Ashley Sisters. Oh, parang si Hallie. Hallie and Hallie Sisters. Hallie and Hallie. Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Natty Bontian, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Salamat po. At ito po ang mga certified Duanda Fam natin on the screen right now. Ayun. Ayun. Ito sila lahat. Ayun. Maraming credits. Nag-verbally. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and remember to check out downundervisa.com.au. Maraming salamat sa Down Under Visa. We're hoping you shut the Nitro get to Australia and stay here for a few months. So
Hi, ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to PhilTalk today.